Digital technologies are providing opportunities for people all around the world. In Kyrgyzstan, however, very few materials in Kyrgyz language, very few trainings, very few content. And to help rural citizens of Kyrgyzstan, especially youth and women, we launched this Sanarip Insan, or digital citizen project, which is funded by the European Union and implemented by the European Neighbourhood Council together with Internet Society Kyrgyz Chapter. And the aim of this project is to provide economic opportunities for girls and youth in rural areas of Kyrgyzstan so that they can find opportunities in e-commerce, in e-tourism, in e-agriculture. By doing this project, we are hoping to help Kyrgyzstan achieve sustainable development goals, namely such development goals as in education, in gender equality, in economic development. We are doing trainings in Kyrgyz language. Our trainers visited every corner of Kyrgyzstan with digital skills trainings. In addition to that, we work together with the GSMA Association Foundation to adopt GSMA's missed courses, online courses on how to use mobile technologies and mobile phones for your economic benefit. This can be courses on e-payments, courses on different economic platforms. We adapted these materials into Kyrgyz and Russian language so that people in Kyrgyzstan and in the neighboring region can benefit from these electronic courses.